Good morning, everybody. It's Lonnie, and we're in the shed. We have orders to send out today. Pretty decent sales day yesterday, actually, especially for a Monday. Mondays aren't always that strong, but yeah, I got a bunch of stuff to get out. Let's get started. Holy Bible. This is a 1957 Catholic Bible. Actually sold this to a viewer. That's going out today. All right, since I've put these on sale for $17.49, they've actually been selling through pretty well. These are Dr. Scholl's insoles. These are new old stock from a drugstore closing that my guy bought a bunch of stuff from. S7 is what I'm looking for. I was hoping I could show it to y'all real quick. I don't have to put it down, but looks like it's taking a minute. There it is. S7 right here. $17.49 plus ship on top. I'm going to pull these orders, and then I got a lot of cleanup to do out here. I got boxes of product all over the place. Get these floors clear. Sold a... So I need to move that out the way. Sold a Joker statue right here. This is actually pretty cool. Based on the art of Jim Lee. What did I get for this? Look, it's numbered 1648 of 5,000. I don't think I saw that before. So fairly exclusive. This is on sale, 30% off sale, $27.99 plus shipping on top. Sold one of these Nintendo Wii's, which means I only have one left that's not sold. This is just the replacement system only, console only. Got $24.99 plus shipping on top for that. Then I sold this model up here. Model up here. Where is it? Did I put it up here? Let me find it. Okay, the model is actually right here. I'd actually pre-packed this model because I wanted to make sure that I could fit it in within the constraints of first class package. But y'all can see the photo of it. It's a Shelby Mustang, I think. Really cool. Man, I hope it's a Mustang or I'm gonna get burnt. Let me look at the thing. Shelby GT500. I think that's a Mustang. Yep. So anyway, sold this for $12.99 plus shipping on top. I bought it last weekend for $1. It was in one of my videos. All right, sold this cheap Xbox 360 game, which most Xbox 360 games seem to be cheap these days. Perfect Dark Zero Platinum Hits version. $1.99 plus shipping on top. So a few months ago, I had this theory that that touching your inventory, it seemed, crackpot theory, that seemed to thinking about or touching or talking about your inventory seemed to make it sell or be more likely to sell. So I pulled a laser disc yesterday, and it was all the way at the back. Okay, it was Poltergeist, and it was the last one in the box. Not the last one I looked at, the last one in the box, okay? Which meant I touched each and every one of these laser discs. Well, guess what happened last night? 2 of them sold. 2 of the ones I touched yesterday sold. So I don't know. I mean, I'm not saying that's what's happening here, is touching it makes it sell. I'm just telling y'all what happened. That's all I can do. Just the facts. The facts are 2 of these sold after I touched them yesterday. Do with that what you may. All right, what did we sell? We sold a Jurassic Park for some amount of money. Let me look. This is actually, these laser disc thing, I'm surprised they're not a little more collectible, because I mean, they make, even if you're not going to play the laser disc, those make great wall hangers, don't they? Throw that up on the wall. $10.44 plus shipping on top for Jurassic Park. Then the other one is Alien 3. This right here. We got, let's see, $949 plus shipping for that. So, hey, I touched a little inventory yesterday. Got 20 bucks in sales here, and then touched it again today. Let's see if I can sell another one. Okay, I sold a couple of banks. And I know where one of them is for sure. This Joker bank right here. Oh, well, here's the other one I was looking for. And a Batman bank. So let me take them over to the bench. We'll take a little closer look at them. These are on the same order. I'm actually going to have to go look at that order because they paid a pretty good bit of shipping, I think, and it, you know, I'm going to combine it, so I'm going to have to refund some. But yeah, there's the Joker bank that's sold, and they also bought the PVC Batman bank. Get them out of here. Yep, there he is. There's the Batman bank. And they have the, you know, the holes in the bottom, which are covered up by the sticker because they've never been used. But yeah, what I get for these? $14.24 plus shipping on top. Oh, hey guys, I was just packing up some of the stuff. We got more stuff coming. I was packing up some of the stuff, and I'm using this like vinyl mailer, you know, 12-inch vinyl LP mailer. And I'm shipping out this copy of Jurassic Park, and it's got this nice plastic, like, I don't know, plastic protective thing that's on it or whatever. It's going out just like this. This is the proper way, all right? You don't want to go big flaps and then little flaps. You want to go little flaps like this, big flaps on top, and then you can see I already taped it once. I'm like, wait, let me put this on cam, and then I do a piece of tape there, and then I come back with a piece of tape here. It's done. So yeah, I love these vinyl mailers. They're good for all kind of stuff. Okay, I got this stuff packed during the live show, most of it, some of it, and then now I am pulling some more orders. This is a one of those vintage cameras, Argus rangefinder. Not tested or anything, sold completely as is. $14.24 plus shipping on top. Okay, now I'm gonna pull some car orders. Everything else going out today are cars. Let's see, this order, total order is $24.95, which means they all got, I think, just the opening bid of $4.99, which is good on, you know, order with, was that 5 cars? So yeah, I'm happy with that. Let's see, what is this? That's a T-Bird. Got a Hot Wheels old number 5 fire truck made in Hong Kong. We've got a Hot Wheels Enforcer, some kind of army buggy thing. Then we've got a, I'm sorry, that's the army buggy there. And then this is the CJ7. And the last one is a Kidco 1979 blue convertible Chevy. Oh, actually it's a 57 Chevy convertible, but made in 1979. Or the die, or the casting is from 1979. Or where did I get that from anyways? I don't see 79 on it anywhere. Oh, there it is, right below Kidco, 79. Anyways, that's one order. I sold this little Escort. It's a cool little Escort, I guess like a rally car type thing or something. This is a Matchbox Lesney. Sold it for $4.99 plus shipping. All right, next car going out is this Matchbox Lesney again. This is a mobile home, an RV. Could be the one from Breaking Bad, huh? Check that out. $4.99 plus shipping. All right, along these same lines, also sold a caravan trailer. Little camper trailer thing. This is pretty, it's actually pretty cool too. I love these little things. Matchbox Lesney again. This actually had 2 bids. So it sold for $5.24 plus shipping on top. Oh wait, did I show you all this school bus? Oh, I just packed it up. School bus, $4.99 plus shipping on top. I got one more. Okay, the last car going out is this number 12 car. It's a 1977 Hot Wheels Highway Patrol car made in Hong Kong, black wall. So $4.99 plus shipping on top for that. All right, shipping is done. It was like more shipping than usual today for a Monday, but there it is. That's a lot of stuff going out for Tuesday shipping. That's pretty good. Of course, some of these are low value, but some of them aren't. Not bad, not bad at all. Okay, I want to throw this in this video. Somebody asked yesterday about how to run a sale on your whole store, or how I did that. And I wanted to show y'all real quick. And another reason is I wanted to run another sale too, because the last one I did, it seemed like it worked. It seemed like a little 5% sale gave a little boost. So I'll do another one. What the heck? I use a pretty good many sales, not as many as some other people. But anyway, what screen are we on here? We're on the marketing screen, and you just hover over marketing from your seller hub, then go to promotions, and it'll get you right here where I'm at. All right, and you can see here's some sales I've run before. I don't have any sales currently active. I do have volume pricing active on some listings, but no sales. So what I'm going to do, I could copy this sale that I already had, but instead of doing that, I'll start a new sale. So let's do a new sale. Oh, here it is up here. It's under my head. That's why I couldn't find it. We're going to do sale event plus markdown. And I'm going to do a real small sale, 5%. It's actually the smallest sale you can do, 5%. And then we have to go to the select item screen. And then you can make rules, do by categories and all this other stuff, store categories or eBay categories. But I'm just going to select items. And then I'll just do category, all inventories selected. That's fine. And there, now it has 200 out of 500 selected. I'll just scroll down. You can make this show 200 is a max. So I got to go to the next page. And I'll select these. I think I have to do this, because otherwise it doesn't show up down here. 332 out of 500 selected. This is on my second store that I'm running this sale. And yeah, so let's see, confirm selections. Okay. Looks good. Save and review. Sale event name, save up to 5%. That is not, that's not public, so it doesn't really matter. Include skipped items. All right, we're going to start now. And I don't like running very long sales. We're going to run this one through, let me change this end date. I'll just run this one through, I don't need to be in May, don't I? I think I'm going to run it through Friday early evening. And I'll probably crank another one up on the weekend. It's kind of my thinking anyway. I'll do it like 6 o'clock Pacific, which would be 8 o'clock my time. Okay. Store-wide sale. Oh, that is public. All right. That's fine. You can select your image there. Well, you have to have it on the computer, I guess. If I was a little better, I would actually upload a custom image for the sale. And there, that should launch. And it'll usually take a few minutes to actually go active. You'll see it says pending here. But then, like after a couple minutes, it should say active, and then it should say the number of items right here. But for now, it still says pending. I'm not going to wait for it. Yeah, it's still pending. Like usually 5-10 minutes for me is what I notice. I hope that helped. That's how I put the whole store on sale. Or from that same interface where I selected all, if you want to, you can select individual items. You know, the little check boxes next to the individual items. There's a bunch of ways you can do it, or you can create rules, however you like to do it. Yep, still says pending. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.